Here are some quick and easy meals that take less than 15 minutes to prepare in the quiet moments of our lives where the rush of the world quiets down and we find ourselves in the heart of our kitchens. We are faced with choices. Some may say these are trivial decisions about what we eat, what we prepare, and how we nourish ourselves. But these choices are far from insignificant. They are profound. They are the building blocks of our well-being, the foundation of our health, the essence of our vitality. When we choose to eat wisely, we are choosing to live with intention, to honor the body that carries us through the challenges and joys of life. Recipe 1. Cod with roasted tomatoes. Imagine the sizzle of fresh cod hitting a hot pan, the fragrant aroma of tomatoes roasting slowly in the oven, releasing their sweet, rich juices. In this simple meal, we find both sustenance and elegance. Cod, with its mild flavor and tender texture, is more than just a source of protein. It is a gift from the sea, packed with omega-3 fatty acids that reduce inflammation and support heart health. The roasted tomatoes, vibrant and full of life, bring a wealth of antioxidants, protecting ourselves from damage and nourishing us from the inside out. This meal, prepared in less than 15 minutes, is a reminder of the power of simplicity. In this dish, we are reminded that true nourishment doesn't require extravagance. It requires intention. It requires the wisdom to choose quality over quantity, to prioritize what truly matters: our health, our well-being, our connection to the earth that provides for us. Recipe 2. Linguine with white clam sauce. Picture yourself standing in your kitchen, the scent of garlic sautéing in olive oil filling the air, the delicate linguine swirling in a pot of boiling water. In this moment, you are connected to a tradition that spans centuries, a tradition of gathering the gifts of the ocean and the land, of combining them in a way that honors both simplicity and flavor. Linguine with white clam sauce is a dish that speaks of balance. The clams, rich in iron and vitamin B, strengthen our blood and support our nervous system. The olive oil, a cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, provides heart-healthy fats that nourish our bodies and minds. This meal is a reflection of the wisdom of the ancient Greeks, who understood that food is not just sustenance, but a form of medicine. Let food be thy medicine, and medicine be thy food, Hippocrates once said. In this dish, we find that balance. We find nourishment that goes beyond the physical, reaching into our very souls, reminding us that the choices we make in the kitchen have the power to heal us from within. Recipe 3. Wonton soup. Wonton soup is more than just a dish. It is comfort in a bowl, a reminder that even the simplest of ingredients can create something deeply nourishing. The delicate wontons, filled with a savory mixture of meat and vegetables, float in a broth infused with ginger and garlic, both of which are known for their healing properties. Ginger, with its anti-inflammatory effects, soothes the digestive system and warms the body. Garlic, a natural antibiotic, strengthens the immune system and protects against illness. This soup, quick to prepare yet rich in flavor and nutrients, is a testament to the power of simplicity. It reminds us of the words of Confucius: the superior man is modest in his speech but exceeds in his actions. In the same way, this humble bowl of soup may seem simple, but it offers profound nourishment. It teaches us that we do not need to complicate our meals to make them meaningful. We only need to choose wisely, to honor the ingredients we use, and to cook with care. Recipe 4. Chopped Cobb salad. In the vibrant colors of a chopped Cobb salad, we see the beauty of diversity, the way different ingredients come together to create something greater than the sum of its parts. Crisp greens, juicy tomatoes, creamy avocado, tender chicken, and tangy blue cheese all contribute their unique flavors and textures to this dish. It is a reminder that true health comes from variety, from embracing a wide range of nutrients and flavors in our diet. This salad, packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, is a celebration of life's abundance. It is a reflection of the wisdom of Aristotle, who said, "The whole is greater than the sum of its parts." In this dish, we see that truth. Each ingredient plays its part, contributing to a meal that is both satisfying and nourishing. And in choosing to prepare this salad, we are choosing to honor our bodies, to give them the nutrients they need to thrive. Recipe 5. Spankopita scrambled egg pitas. Spankopita scrambled egg pitas bring the flavors of Greece into our kitchens, offering a meal that is both hearty and nourishing. The spinach, rich in iron and antioxidants, strengthens our blood and protects our cells from damage. The eggs, a source of high-quality protein, provide sustained energy and support muscle repair. And the feta cheese, with its tangy flavor and calcium content, strengthens our bones and adds a burst of flavor to this dish. In just a few minutes, we create a meal that is deeply satisfying, a reminder that even on our busiest days, we can still choose to eat